Hi, my name is Kumar Suri and I'm student at MIT. MIT ID is 192729. And in today's video, as a part of our assignment for the part B for MN623, and we're gonna be testing some three tools and we're gonna be penetrating through this Windows machine, Kali Linux to the Windows machine, and we're gonna be making some directories in the Windows machine, and we're gonna be using three tools. Those are required for this process, and let's start with the process. Now first of all, I'm gonna be opening terminal window, typing nmap and my stealth scan. So first up, we are scanning the entire network. 2168 dot, that's my router address, and 0 and slash side annotation 24. So that's gonna scan the entire network, which is how many hosts are connected to this network. It's gonna scan through entire network and show the results, like how many hosts are connected to this network. So also the Kali Linux is also connected to this network, and my Windows PC is also connected to this network. Also, these are the virtual machines, but yes, these are having some IP addresses assigned by this DHCP server. So yeah, we're gonna be scanning through the network, and also after this finishes up, and we're gonna see, actually we can even see here the command prompt. Alright, so ipconfig pcon. Alright, so we actually can see the IP address is that. So now we're gonna see in the Kali Linux. So it's taking time, but yes, it's gonna scan the entire network, so it's inevitable. And what we can do alongside, we can open the Wireshark, so that's gonna save us a time. Sudo Wireshark, that's my password, and it's gonna open the Wireshark alongside. So we just need the Wireshark in the later time, whenever we're gonna actually get through the process. Alright, so if it has scanned, so it, as we can see in here, 6 hosts are connected to this network, and now we just gonna see what's our host. So we can see in here these ports are open here, and we just need this port only, 455, to just make the connections. So now what we can do again stealth scan by just figuring out the exact operating system that what it's running. It's 212. Alright, so quick. It requires root privileges. Okay, yep. So now we have seen it. So it's running Microsoft Windows XP 2003. That's what we need. And also what we can sniff the packets alongside with the Wireshark. And so Wireshark is here, and we can see the TCP connections being made here. Yeah, so this is a TCP connection we have made, and so this is the source, my Kali Linux address, and this is the destination address, TCP connection. It's sending the acknowledgement back. It have sent the SYN packet to it, and it have sent the acknowledgement back. So that means we are likely to exploit this thing, and it have made some three hand shake hand with that. So that's good sign. And now we're gonna move further with the Metasploit. So Metasploit is the tool, that's the exploiting tool, and that's the tool which is really powerful MSF console. Alright, so MSF console. Get started. Takes time, but we actually gonna see afterwards. Alright, so we can start doing the process further. And now we need to search the name of the exploit. Alright, so we are using this one right here. Although we can use another ones, but this is the more likely to be exploitable. So now we need to show options. So this is gonna target this port. So yeah, we're gonna fill up these prerequisites and show info. So that's pretty much the description about the exploit, that what it's gonna do, what it's gonna, so it's gonna write some, make some connections, add some payloads and stuff like that. So now what we can do is we're gonna search, we're gonna set our host host 192.168. Our host is our targeted machine, so we just gonna figure out like whether it's exploitable or not. So yes, it have seen that like host is likely vulnerable to this exploit, so yes, that's good sign. Set. Okay, so we're gonna search this exploit again, 17, and now we're gonna use this one. This is the pretty robust one. Copy and use. Alright, so it's gonna make some payloads and stuff, so we're gonna be using those payloads. Alright, so I have already generated payloads, and now we're gonna set our host, because our host has already been set by the system itself, and 212. Yep. Oh, I missed it. Our host 192.160.2. Yep. And now we're gonna exploit this machine. Alright, so we are good to go. So as we can see, we have opened this session, and yes, that's all good. And we're gonna take screenshot. Okay, so we have taken the screenshot from the Linux, from the Windows, and this has been saved in the files right here. So as we can see, this is the screenshot, the same IP address, and we have saved it. Now it's time to make some directories. We're gonna log into the shell. We are into the Windows shell. Now we have to do a cd. We need to make some dir, make some directories in there. We just need to make some hacked folder, hackdef. Okay, new folder. All right. Oh, we just need to type mkdir. Okay, so we made this. So, and now cd. So we have just gonna see like we have made this folder successfully or not. We gonna see it through Windows, and now system32. Yep, and we're gonna see the folder named Varon. Yes, so we have made this folder. So that was pretty much the part for my assignment, and so we have used 3 tools so far, and we have made some hacking techniques, and we penetrated through the open ports to this XP, and that's all. Thank you.